Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching accounts in the Mobile Legends app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Switching accounts in Mobile Legends is easy. When you are on the main dashboard of the app, tap your profile icon from the top left. Select Account from the left sidebar. Now select Switch Account. Now you just need to log in to your second account here to be able to switch between your two accounts. I only have one account, so I can't show you any further. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.